Fatma Afia.
And what are we doing today?
Experiments with Mentos and Coke.
Okay, this is the...
Coke!
And this is the...
Mentos!
Okay, what will we do?
Put it inside.
Okay, we're gonna open that Coke.
Yeah, we're gonna open the Coke.
Hey, come here. You tell me what to do.
Put inside the Mentos and the Coke
And we are now opening the...
Mentos.
Okay, how many Mentos are we gonna put in?
One.
Let's put 3.
Why?
So it feels small. Let's put
Okay,
2.
let's try it.
Okay, you put it now. Show it to the camera first.
Okay. Today we're gonna do this.
Go. You make it sabay. On the other one, go. Oh!
What? It's real! It's real! Look at the Coke! Look at the Coke! I'm gonna try one.
Yeah, you have to show your face to the camera for your
Oh, Daddy, let's try again.
reaction.
Let's try again.
Okay.
Wow!
Ay, show your face on the camera. Oh, it only works in the first time.
Okay, see some bubbles.
Okay, what if we put another one?
Okay, let's put another.
Oh, what if you're gonna shake it? What will happen? That's enough.
Oh!
Oh,
Whoa!
and then you explain what happened. I'm gonna try it. Oh, it kind
Daddy,
of
my
Mentos.
dad, my dad.
Afia, you explain on the camera what happened. So you say, that's what happened when you mix. Go.
That's what happened if you mix Mentos and Coke.
You say, this is our first experiment.
This is our first experiment.
Okay, you say, tell us what to do next time.
Tell us what to do next time.
Follow
Follow
and share this.
and share this.
Bye-bye. You say goodbye. Hey, you don't read that. You say goodbye to the camera.
Goodbye.
Okay, you close the camera. No, this one. You put your hands there. Hey, that's not how you